Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI P10 Lite and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So I'd like to start with a secret code. I'll show you how to fastly show the serial number of this device, and later on we will try to find it also in the settings. So let's start with opening the dialer and let's enter the code, which is *06#. And as you can see at the bottom of this pop-out window, we've got the serial number of this device, so let's tap on OK. And as I said, another way via the settings, it will be useful if for some reason the secret code won't work. So let's try to find the serial number. We have to enter the settings, then scroll down to the very bottom and find the system. Now let's tap on About Phone and let's try to localize the serial number. Unfortunately it is not here, so it is not kind of highlighted, so we have to enter the status after scrolling down, and probably here we will find it. Yes, as you can see, almost at the very bottom we've got the serial number of this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.